Not so long ago, OpenAI added the possibility to enhance ChatGPT's behavior with apps. It allows adding UI widgets to your MCP tools. A common example of this functionality is to enhance the tool's behavior with images, like showing the results of a search on an interactive map or displaying images of products. At Curity, we believe it has another big potential, enhancing the security of AI agents. We've built a demo in which the widget is used to run an additional authentication flow so that the user can confirm a sensitive operation. This demo allows me to view a mock stock portfolio and buy and sell some stocks. Let's see it in action. When I initially set up the integration, I logged in with my portfolio account and I consented to ChatGPT having read access to my portfolio. This means that when I now ask ChatGPT to show the contents of my portfolio, it has the permission to do so. However, when I ask it to perform a sensitive action, let's say buy 10 more of Nvidia stocks, I will need elevated permission. I will first see a prompt from ChatGPT, but this is just a sanity check on the front-end side of things, whether I want to run the tool. The answer to this prompt has no effect on the access permissions the MCP server has. Once the tool is called, the API will let the MCP server know that it requires elevated permissions to complete the operation, and the server will start a new OAuth flow asking for the high privilege token. In this demo, this means consenting to the transaction by signing it with my bank ID. And just in case you're not based in the Nordics, bank ID is an eID solution highly popular in the region. It allows me to authenticate and lodge my consent using identity asserted by my bank. To confirm the transaction, I need to scan the code with my bank ID mobile app, verify the transaction details, and then sign the transaction. After a second, the MCP server receives the high privilege token, which is only valid to complete the given transaction, and then completes it, as you can see in the result. What is important is that the high privilege token remains all the time in the backend and is never revealed to the ChatGPT client. Our demo uses bank ID to capture consent, but this approach can be used with other methods as well. For example, for less sensitive operations, you could send a code via an SMS or email to confirm that a correct human is kept in the loop, or integrate with another eID or digital signature solution to collect consent in a cryptographically verifiable way. If you want to run the demo yourself, take a look at the article where we explain the solution in more detail, and where you'll find a link to the GitHub repository for this project. Thanks for watching.